I found this simple digestive biscuit recipe that uses just a few basic digestive biscuit ingredients. And I must say, I do not buy them from the store anymore. The smell of them baking is amazing, and the texture is perfectly crumbly, so much better than anything you can get from the supermarket. To make these homemade digestive biscuits, you will need 300 grams or about 2.5 cups of whole wheat flour. Then add 75 grams or roughly 1/3 of a cup of powdered sugar for sweetness and 1 teaspoon of baking powder to help them rise. Next, mix these dry ingredients together until they are well combined. Next, add 130 grams or about 3/4 of a cup of cold salted butter, and using your hands, work it into the flour mixture. Make sure to rub the butter between your fingers and thumbs until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs, as you can see in the video here. Now, add 5 tablespoons of milk to the mixture. Mix it gently with your hands until the dough starts to come together. You do not want to overwork it. Just make sure everything is combined well. Next, cover the cookie dough with parchment paper. Then roll it out to about 1/4 of an inch thick, as you can see in the video here. Once it is rolled out nicely, you can use your favorite cookie cutters to shape the biscuits however you like. Place the biscuits on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Then take a toothpick and poke a few holes in each biscuit. This helps them bake evenly and prevents them from puffing up too much. Bake the digestive biscuits in the preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 12 minutes, or until they turn a lovely golden brown. Once they are done, remove them from the oven and let them cool on the tray for a few minutes. These homemade digestive biscuits have a nice nutty flavor with just the right touch of sweetness. They are crisp and crumbly, making them perfect for dunking into milk or just snacking on their own. If you like this crispy digestive biscuit recipe, then check out also how to make these deliciously crunchy oatmeal cookies here. Check it out now.